Alright, so we're pulling into Shrek Motorsports, and we're here today to basically do our first wide open throttle pull in the Turbo 400 S197, known as the Work. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. As you can tell, there's some badass vehicles here right now at Shrek's. And yeah, we'll show you around the shop, because I don't think I've actually ever been here and shown you guys whenever the shop's open. Since I'm in San Antonio most of the time, he's always he's done for the day. So we're gonna go ahead and walk around the shop, and let's just get into it. All right, so this is Brad's car, twin turbo 10R80 car, Shelby. And let's go check out the Work. Justin's going to be working on the clutch pedal. We're going to go ahead and get it out of the way, tie it up. But we also got this truck, Coyote. We got Shorty's Trackhawk. I'm pretty sure it's Whipple E85. I don't know what else it does. Frank's car with the polished welds. They look so sick. Alan, if you're watching, polished wheels. Polished wheels are the go. Crown Vic, Marauder. Another 4x4 McAllen Motor Cars truck. Got a 5.0 back there. And then a Laredo 4x4 Whipple F-150. That's party pulley and a lot of other stuff done to it. Got War Machine over there from HSR as well. So a lot of badass cars here for sure. And we're about to go make a hit on the car. So I don't know. It's going to be wastegate more than likely. Just 5 pounds or something. But we're going to go testing the week after, which is going to be the 4th of July week. We're planning to take a couple cars. Of course, I'm taking my personal car. Everyone else, hopefully they show up, like Saul and Toro and some other cars. But yeah, let's go ahead and see. All right, so we got this Shelby Super Snake getting a short block in it. We got this Cyclone up here as well, 4x4. No, this is not On the Gases Cyclone. This is a different one. On the Gases it'll come out to play real soon. That's the only thing I'm saying. But we also got Rocco's car, twin turbo. He's going twin turbo now. This used to be a VMP Gen 3R car, stock motor, but he's going, I'm not sure if he's going sleeved or non-sleeved, but I know it's going to have some badass turbos on it. And we got Whipple Chris's car. Doesn't have a Whipple on it anymore. This used to be a Paramount Speeds car. Still has a sticker on it. And I'm pretty sure this is a fluid twin turbo kit. So this is one of the original ones that Lund tested on Grey Goose. And I'm not sure about the motor combination or anything like that, but it had some small gremlins and they're being fixed now. So yeah, as you can see right there, I'm pretty sure that says MPR. So MPR motor, and the interior is looking clean. Turbo 400, I kind of want that steering wheel combo just because my wires get stuck on the clock spring. So we might have to do something about that. I just turned the key. Oh, no more clutch. And Justin. All right, so I'm sweating my ass off right now, but I'm super excited. So this is my bump. This is my trans brake. This is my line lock. Of course, this is the shifter itself. So foot on the brake. I grab this lever right here and the top one, and there we're in reverse. This lever and the top one, we're now neutral. To go into first, just a lever in the front and pull it back. So there we're in first. So this is where we would be racing, and then second, third. And then to go back to second, no need, you just push back up. If you want to go back to first, then you grab the lever a little bit. So you just got to keep an eye on that, and it'll become muscle memory, you know? So that's pretty neat. And then right here, you can actually skip reverse and just go straight to park. So pretty neat. I don't think it'll get too long of a time to adjust, but definitely we're not clutching in after having this car for, it's almost 5 years, so yeah. All right, we just came back from a little fiasco right now. Had a little fun. But whoever says this isn't a street car, it's a 98. It's more like 103 outside. I'm sweating my ass off, but validated street car. That's all I gotta say. And just some of the cars that Shrek's built, not all of them, but more that are track oriented. This is the car that actually showed me, or actually found out that Shrek was even a thing, you know. I saw him at the track, saw his cars, and then when I was building mine, I actually saw that they were, you know, doing things at the track, and that's what I wanted to do. So that's one of the things that I recommend to, you know, young car people for sure, is that if you're wanting to get into the racing world or road racing world or car show, find someone that's made a product similar or very similar to what you want. So that way you're not disappointed when it doesn't come out the way you expect it to be. You know, look at the person's products, and that'll tell you kind of show you the future of how your car's gonna end up. So Shrek, overall badass cars. These are some of the other ones that he's built. His car personally, Photo again, red twin turbo car, and yeah, it just goes to show. All right, just one more time. I'll see you next weekend. I'll be back. And you know, hood held up pretty good, I hope. Most of it looks like it's just dirt, but still look pretty glossy. Front bumper, we'll probably get that fixed. No, I'm gonna leave in that one. Came to Brad's house to detail Andrea's Bronco, Ricky's Camaro, which he's not detailing now. Andrea's right here, you know. How was Vegas? What'd you think?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yeah, but we'll definitely go again. There's too much.
Why are we going again? Because we got the voucher money.
Because we have, because I slept in the airport.
Yeah, so they canceled their flight, and then they refunded us our money and gave us $1,000 in vouchers for future trips, which we're planning to use probably for Vegas or Colorado or Florida.
Oh, no.
We'll decide. But we came back, and Alan's car officially has twin turbos on it. He's in here. How excited?
Dude, so excited, bro.
He's been in it since he got it back. He slept in it, everything. He just
everything. I couldn't get out of it.
Yeah.
It was good. I just wanted to be on it all day.
Come on. Turbos are down here. Somewhere down there. Can't really see them. Why is it all sleeper?
I don't know. It takes a minute to go. What's that?
Why is it sleeper?
I'm not supposed to know. That's why.
La.
I need to put the sticker on the intake yet.
Oh, the Hellion?
Yeah.
Don't do it. Don't put it on yet. And then once fully warmed up, let's camp inside.
It'll, like, if you look at the RPMs, like, it'll be like 1,000 and then it gets to 1,000. And you can tell. Not doing it as good as earlier.
I heard the video. Yeah. There we go. I saw that. Blunt tune. Starts chopping. RPMs don't really fluctuate. Sounds good. Why is it chopping harder than the Camaro right now?
It doesn't even have a cam.
Allah!
The cams look like snails.
Yeah. They're just catalytic converters. All right, quick rundown on Alan's car. It's a Hellion Sleeper, Ford Innovations triple pump fuel system, ID 1050s, oil pump gears and crank sprocket, and ET street R's, and that's it. No suspension mods, no other mods to the motor other than oil pump gears. No drive shaft, no nothing. So this is like as streetable as it gets. He didn't take out anything out of the car. He just went ahead and added the necessary components to run the amount of boost that he wants to run safely, and he has the tire to do it. So he does want to transition to drag racing eventually, but right now it's just going to be a a street car. So looks badass. Brian, you're up next. We got the twin turbo. We got Rick and we got Brian. So whole gang's rolling out. We're in the fastest car out of the fleet, the Bronco.
No, look over.
Oh yeah, she's all red right now, but she ran. But I probably won't post that, right? But yeah, so we got Alan in the twin turbo car. We got Ricky in his full bolt-on cammed 1LE, and then we got Brian in his eruption green with just exhaust right now. But maybe an ESS coming soon. You know, I'd put the window down, but it's just you're not gonna be able to hear me, and the wind's gonna be insane. But all the vehicles are clean, and you know, about to go get some food. So we're here in Mexico. We are here in Mexico, and we're about to draggy test the twin turbo 10-speed stock motor killer. It's only on 9 pounds of boost, 9 or 10 pounds. It's whatever wastegate makes. Alan didn't get a boost controller just yet, and so we're gonna go ahead and hop in and just see what it does on 9 and 10 pounds of boost. We also got the truck there, but the truck's just chilling. And then we got Rick with his Camaro 1LE. We're gonna draggy all 3 vehicles today in comparison to see what they're doing. I'm gonna let the truck cool down because it's the only positive displacement vehicle out of the 3. This one's NA, so it really doesn't make a difference whenever it's running hot or not. And then this one does make a difference, but you know, he has a huge intercooler, so it shouldn't be too much of a difference. Yeah. Good to go.